Good morning, dear students. Now we are heading towards brain teasers of chapter 5, profit, loss and discount. We have already done question number 1b. Now let us see question number 2. Rajan purchased a purse at 25% discount on its marked price, but sold it at the marked price. Find the gain percent of Rajan on this transaction. Now see here children what is given. Rajan purchased a purse at 25% discount. Okay. Now see, discount is always calculated on marked price, and again what he did, he sold it at marked price. That means SP is also equal to MP. SP is also equal to MP. Now let us say MP is equal to X. Now discount is equal to 25% of X. So discount is equal to how much? Discount is equal to 25 by 100 into X. So here 25 ones are 25 and 25 fours are 100. So your discount is X by 4. But you also know children that selling price is equal to MP minus discount, isn't it? So here your selling price will be equal to X minus X by 4. See here, discount is X by 4. So this will give you, when you take out the LCM, you will get 4 here, and here it will be 4x minus x, that is 3x by 4. So see, selling price is equal to 3x by 4. Now see children, here the price at which Rajan purchased is 3x by 4 because he purchased that purse at 25% discount on marked price. So this is the selling price of the shopkeeper, isn't it? Now see, this particular cost is the cost price for Rajan. So cost price of the purse. Now see this from the view of Rajan. This is for Rajan. Now this was something which Rajan has paid to the shopkeeper. Now from Rajan's side, cost price of the purse will be equal to 3x by 4. Now see, he has sold it at the marked price. Now selling price will be equal to X because Rajan has purchased it at 3x by 4 and sold it at marked price, that is X. So profit. See here, because X is greater than 3x by 4. So profit is equal to SP minus CP. SP minus CP. This will be equal to X minus 3x by 4. If you find the LCM, you will get 4x minus 3x. So this is equal to X by 4. Now how do you calculate profit percent? Profit percent is always calculated on CP. So it will be, profit percent will be equal to profit by CP into 100. So this means profit is how much? X by 4. CP is how much? CP is 3x by 4 into 100. Now see, fraction divided by fraction. How do you do it? The fraction which is to be divided, like say x by 4 divided by 3x by 4. Now this 3x by 4 will turn up into 4 by 3x into 100. Now x cancelled, 4 cancelled. So this will be 100 by 3%. 100 by 3%. That is 33 1 by 3%. Okay. Yes, children, now let us see the next question. Jasleen marks her goods at 30% above CP and allows a discount of 25% on MP. Find her gain or loss percent. See, children, here you don't know the MP and you don't know the cost price also. First of all, you see there is a connection because MP is 30% above CP. So let us say CP is equal to X. Now MP is how much? 30% above CP. So that means MP is X plus 30% of X. CP plus 30% of CP will give you MP, because see, Jasleen marks her goods at 30% above CP. That means if she buys something for rupees 100, she puts the price tag as 130. Okay. So this is X plus 30X by 100. So if you find the LCM, you will get 130X by 100. See here, 100X plus 30X by 100. So MP is equal to 130X by 100. So 0, 0 cancel, you are getting 13X by 10. Okay. Now see, now after putting the price tag as 13x by 10, she gives a discount of 25%. So now see at what price she is selling. So discount is equal to how much? 25% of MP. So 25 by 100. And what is the MP, dear children? It is 13x by 10. 13x by 10. See, 25 ones are 25 fours are. Okay. So this becomes 13x by 40. Now what is the selling price? At what price Jasleen will sell the goods? So SP will be equal to MP minus discount. That means your MP is 13x by 10 minus 13x by 40. If you find the LCM, LCM will be 40. Here 10 fours are 40, so 13 fours are 52, x minus 13x. So this will be equal to 39x by 40. Okay. So what next? You have got SP, you have got CP. CP is equal to x and SP is equal to 39x by 40. So beta, x is greater than 39x by 40. CP is greater than SP, because CP is x and SP is 39x by 40. So what you can say? You can say that there is a loss in this transaction. So loss is equal to x minus 39x by 40. This is equal to 40x minus 39x by 40, which will give you x by 40. Okay. Now how do you find the loss percent? Loss percent will be equal to loss by CP into 100. What is the loss? Loss is x by 40. What is CP? CP is x into 100. Now see, this is x by 1. So if you calculate, it will be x by 40 into 1 by x into 100. So see, x cancel, 0, 0 cancel. You are getting 10 by 4%. Isn't it? 10 by 4%. And 10 by 4% means how much? 5 by 2. That is 1 by 2%.